To build a machine learning model for the use case scope and recommendation for targeted marketing. Today I have used the random forest classifier. Random forest is a machine learning algorithm which can be used for both the classification and regression task. And regression task, it is based on a concept called ensemble learning, which means nothing but it combines the result of multiple models to make better prediction. First, I have imported Pandas library, which is a Python library. This is used to load and read the data. Next, I have imported a train test split. This splits the data into two parts, one for training the model, other for testing it. And random forest classifier. This is a machine learning model that can make prediction based on the data. And classification report and accuracy score. These are used to measure how well the model did. Next, this line reads the particular data set into a variable called data. This line prints the names of the columns in the data set so we can see what kind of data we have. We have set the target column as a destination. This will tell model which column we want to predict. In this case we want to predict destination column. This line checks if the column we want to predict like destination actually exists in the data. If it doesn't, it will stop and give an error message. This makes sure we don't want to predict something that isn't there. Now we are going to separate the features and target. This is the this line selects the destination column as the target. It is what we want to predict. Next, we have used one-hot encoding. One-hot encoding is a way to cut down categorical values to numerical values for the model to understand the data. Next, we have set the x equal to data. Um, X represents all the features, the data we want to make prediction. It's like all the information about the passengers, weathers, etc., but not the actual target column. In this case, which is a destination. Where in this line we divide the data into two parts: training and testing the data. This part of the data will be used to teach the model how to make prediction. After the model is trained, we will use this part to check if it is trained correctly. So it is an important line of important part of the model. Here we have to set the test size as 0.2. Um, um, this means 20% of the data will be used for testing and the rest 80% will be used for training. And random state as 42. This makes sure we always get the same split of data when we run the code. Next, we have created a random forest classifier model and train it on the training data, which is X train and Y train. This model learns from the data, finding patterns that will help it predict the destination. This line actually makes the prediction. After data is trained, we ask it to make prediction using the testing data, which is X test. Here we have used the accuracy to predict the accuracy score. This tell us how many predictions the model got right out of the test cases. If the model predicts the destination correctly, most of the time the accuracy will be high. In this case, we have an accuracy of 99%, which is a pretty good accuracy when compared to 60%, 70%. 19% is a good accuracy score. And a classification report, it gives a detailed breakdown of the model's performance for each case. It includes a precision, how many of the predicted positive results were actually correct. And recall how many of the actual positive result did the model correctly predict, and F1 score, which is a balanced measure of both precision and recall. So this is it.